Hello, who is this?
You already know it's Daddy Donald?
Oh shit, how are you calling me right now? I blocked your number, motherfucker.
You can never block me, Joe.
What do you want, Donnie?
Well, I was just calling to say you know how 2024 is right around the corner.
Yeah, what about it?
You better start packing your shit, Joe Donnie, moving back in.
Over my old white ass you are. There's no way you're winning it, Donnie.
Oh, but you think you are? That's funny. Maybe you can do comedy nights at the retirement home you go to?
I'll get Kamala Harris on your ass, Donnie.
So she can just do nothing and just wave her career by in the background.
Fuck you, Donnie. I am adding Obama to this call.
Of course you are.
Hello?
Hey, Obama, tell Donnie to stop being so mean to me.
You really added me to this call just so I can tell Donnie to stop being mean to you, Joe?
I know, right? Someone sounds like they need their diaper changed, Obama.
I thought you blocked him, Joe.
I did, but he called me on another phone.
I don't have time for this. Me and my wife are on vacation.
Way to go, Sleepy Joe. Even Obama is mad at you for interrupting his vacation with his husband.
waxaan kaa codsanaynaa barta youtube-ka, facebook-ga iyo tiktok-ga intaba inaad share noo dhahdo, subscribe noo saarta youtube-keenna.